First, we need to create a developer org. This will essentially allow you to modify, create, and just do everything that you want to do and learn Salesforce without actually modifying or changing any real data. It's very easy to do. So first you want to go to developers.salesforce.com and then you want to sign up. So let's just do that right now. So you go sign up, you can just put anything you want. So I'll just put my name, my email address, I'll blur that out so you guys don't email me randomly. Company name doesn't really matter, just test XYZ or whatever you want to call it. Country, I'm in Canada, so you can put Canada. Postal code, it's not really necessary to put a real postal code, but you know. So whoever that is, I'm sorry. And the username is essentially in the form of an email address. So it's not a real email address, but it just has to be the email address. So you can do something like that and put anything else. What I usually like to do is maybe put your company name dot com and then dot say test. And what that will allow you to do is just to have a unique username. And you can click this, but I don't want to subscribe to any marketing from Salesforce. And then you just press sign me up. So after that, you can just go to your email and do the simple verification like you would do it with any other website. So let me just do that real quick and we'll get right back into it. So after you log in, you should see this page. So now you have created your first developer org. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to see more.